Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. Let's draw a giraffe. So I'm going to start off with a circle, and you can trace a circle, any kind of object. And then once you have a circle here, you're going to put a little oval underneath it, nice and light as you draw it, and connect with a diagonal line on both sides. Awesome. In the center here, at the edge of the circle, the big circle, draw two eyes. And this is like a C, tilted C. Here's a U. And then I'm going to round it off. Great. Then what I'm going to do is two little lines on both sides for the ears. I see them as triangles. Oops, not triangles. They're diamonds. And I'm going to go ahead and draw them lightly because I'm going to go back over them later. Okay, what else? So you can draw eyelashes if you want and start to darken your lines and go over your lines with more confidence. Right here, I'm going to turn there as I darken the line, and then I'm going to turn here. I'm going to bump around the eyes and dip in right there. Dip in and round off. Great. You can look at a picture of a giraffe too for ideas. Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's round this off like I said I was going to do later. And again, look at a picture of a giraffe if you want more ideas. And, oh, let's erase. I need to erase some extra lines. Oh, this is like a little, I guess, a square, and I'm going to go around it for the highlight for the eyes. I like to have highlights for the eyes or the pupils. Great. Darken that. So now, oh, I forgot this. Let's go ahead and turn these lines there. You can make it however you want. Darken inside for the nostrils and a little line right there, and shade this in. Fill it in, block it in, however you want to say it. And I'm going to also make kind of a gradation, light to dark up here. Dark, and then slowly make it lighter. And also inside the ears. What else can I do? Again, let's start off right near the eye and turn the line, and then wiggle, 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 wiggle for the back of the neck. And then I'm going to make some organic soft shapes that I'm going to fill in. And you can use colored pencils if you want, or crayons instead of a pencil. It's up to you. Yeah, I'm going to just look at some extra little details here and there. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom, How to Draw a Giraffe. Enjoy!